Chloe, I promise I will trust you and listen to you. I will vow to ask about the little things and try to make you laugh every day.
James, you are loved more than I could ever put into words, and so I promise to show you for the rest of our lives just how much I love you.
Talk to you at the end of the night and to make you feel like the most special person in the world.
As our next adventure begins and you, me and Dots become a new family, I promise to always stand by your side, to cherish you and to try and make you laugh every day, because you will never know the joy in my heart when you are smiling.
My wife, Chloe. Firstly, thank you for the invite. I made it on time. I was dressed appropriately, apparently. But you've done all of this. So Chloe has done this not once, but 4 times. You are an absolutely amazing person. I love you to the ends of the world, but I know you're the strongest and most amazing person I've ever come across. Not just because you've done this, but everything else. You're kind, you're caring, you put everybody else first. And I think that's what made me fall in love with you. It was that and your ability to deal with your sister.
So that's how I grew up, with the romantic notion that you don't overthink love. It's just when you know, you know. And that's it. You're besotted with the person for the rest of your days, through the highs and the lows, when they're driving you mad and when they're buying you red roses. And so, whilst that notion was shaken a few times over the years, I then met James. And it wasn't a question of shall I or do I. It was when you know, you know. And I do. I know I love you with all my heart.